The bait I'm using today for the crabs is a chicken drumstick. What you want to do with a chicken drumstick is to take your nylon line, wrap it around the bottom of the drumstick there, then make a loop and wrap the line back around itself and back through. As you come down, it should cinch down. Kind of pull it from a couple different directions to make sure it's really tight. Then if you want, you can also go ahead and make another like overhand knot or granny knot on top of that, just to make sure that that knot doesn't come loose. That's it. Once you have that chicken wrapped on, the drumstick's a good piece because it will sink on its own. You don't have to add a weight. Some pieces of chicken, like a back or a thigh, you might need to add a 1 ounce weight to make it go to the bottom. But here, this drumstick's just going to sink right down. So just a quick bit about how to choose a crabbing spot that is best. There are 3 main things that I think about when I'm looking for a crabbing spot. Number 1, you need brackish water. This right here is brackish water. It's a little bit muddy looking, but hey, it's brackish water. The second thing that you want is shallow water. You know, crabs live in a variety of depths, but the problem with crabbing with these chicken lines like this is that if the water is very, very deep, you're going to have a hard time bringing the crab up. You know, the longer that he stays on the line and feels you pulling against him, the more likely he is to turn that loose. So shallow water, brackish water. The final thing is that you want the water to be warm. So crabs, because of their species, they will dig down into the mud over the wintertime. That's how they winter out. So not until that it starts warming up that crabs come out of the mud and start feeding again. That's usually in the late spring to the early part of the summer. Oh my God. Haha. Looking good. One thing that you want to do once you get your crabs back is to put them in the sink out here in the garage and just give them a quick rinse. What that does is kind of rinse off some of the salt water and any dirt that they might have on there. Good step to do that before you put them into the steamer basket. Once you get them all rinsed out, next thing is to go right into the steamer with them. It doesn't take long, usually less than 10 minutes. Have them good to go. You'll notice when they turn red that they're done and ready to pull out. All right, been almost 10 minutes here. You can look at the crabs, see that their shells have changed to red. They're done, ready to season and ready to pick. Got the expert crab picker here, popping the shell off, cleaning out the gills, or the dead man's fingers as we always call them. Cleaning out the mustard there. Quick rinse. That's it. Ready to fish. Guess you thought you were going to get this whole video without seeing my face. Don't worry, here I am. Thanks for watching. Hope that you enjoyed. Also, if you haven't been crabbing yet this year, you need to get that chicken and go do it. Sorry I didn't get a video of me eating the crabs, but I promise you they are awesome. A little bit of Old Bay and melted butter, and you're in for a real treat. If you haven't already, please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for following James V Outdoors.